Hello there, today we'll be talking about the setup and installation of our ZKTeco 4-in-1 channel video surveillance security system kit. Before we start our installation, let's unbox and see what we have here. In this, we have our DVR, that's a digital video recorder. We also have the power adapter to power our video recorder. And here is a mouse to navigate through when you power it up on your display screen. This is our second power adapter, which will power our cameras, connecting it to this. And here is the first camera. Here is our second camera. And here is the third camera. And as you can see, this is our fourth camera. And here we have our AV cables, which are to be connected to the camera and also the DVR to enable display. Yeah, so let's begin with our setup and installation. This is our first camera. We have the power ports and also the video ports here. This is our power connector. We'll connect the power connector to the camera. And from our AV cable, we have the coaxial connected to the camera as well. And we'll do the same for all cameras we have here. So we are done with that. Behind our DVR, we have the VGA, we have the HDMI, we have the video ports, and we have our network port as well, and the power. So let's power our DVR. As you can see, our DVR is powered. Let's power our camera as well. So our cameras are powered as well. So now we need to connect our cameras to our port here. So now we have our cameras connected and powered. All connected and powered. For you to be sure if your camera is powered, there is a way you can know by covering the face of your camera, and there will be a beep from the camera, so it's showing you that your camera is powered and working fine. Here's our mouse. Connect your mouse to the back. And then you connect your HDMI from your display, either a laptop or a monitor. Connect it to the back of your DVR. As you can see on my screen, we have the display of the 4 cameras, and here are the motions. So as you can see, all cameras are active, up and running, and we have the mouse. If you would like to zoom either of the displays, here is how to do that. You click on the display, and that is how to install and set up our video surveillance security system kit. Thank you.